The Nigerian Society of Engineers (NSE) Abeokuta branch, in collaboration with the Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers (NIEEE) Abeokuta, cordially invites you to the second Bolude Oyebolu Distinguished Engineering Lecture Bodel and 92nd birthday celebration of Engineer Philip Bolude Oyebolu FNIEEE FNSE FAEng. Topic: Distribution Substation Enhancement as a clue to an incessant Nigeria grid system collapse. Guest speaker: Engineer Kola Balogun, CEO, Momas Electricity Meter Manufacturing Company Limited. Date: Thursday, 16th June 2022. Time: 12 noon. Venue: Bolude Oyebolu Engineering Center, opposite OPL NNPC, Okemoson, Abeokuta. Chairman of the occasion: Engineer Tasil Saad Gidari Udil, FNIEEE FNSE. President, Nigerian Society of Engineers (NSE). Distinguished guest of honor: Engineer Noimot Salako Oyedele, Deputy Governor, Ogun State. Special guest of honor: Engineer Rabiu Ali, FNSE. President, Council for the Regulation of Engineering, Koren. Guest of honor: Engineer Michael Akan, FNIEEE. National Chairman, Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers (NIEEE). Chief Host: Engineer Dr. Kolawole Olonode, FNSE. Chairman, Nigerian Society of Engineers (NSE) Abeokuta branch. Host: Engineer Olumayawa Idowu, FNIEEE. Chairman, Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers (NIEEE) Abeokuta. The event will be hybrid, physical and virtual. For virtual participation on Zoom, use the link. For inquiries, call 0803 640 1944 or 0803 069 8768. Be there.